We believe that everybody has the fundamental right to return home safely at the end of each day. And the way to get that message across is to actually engage with not just our direct workforce, but those who actually work with us to deliver customer services. I don't think people understand really what health and safety is about until they've actually met people who've been affected by it. That actually drives this organisation forward into making sure that we don't actually harm anybody when what is essentially delivering customer services. It's as simple as that, really. I think some of the highlights has been the innovation and the standards of excellence our partners and contractors have actually brought to our business. We've actually had innovation coming in through our Standards of Excellence Award in the evenings, where we get charities benefiting from the good work all our partners have done. But one of the things it does do is it enables us to give a single message consistently right across the company that health and safety is fundamentally part of the way we run the business.